Okay, have you ever smoked a cigar in a blizzard in Las Vegas, but in the snow? Well, I was smoking a cigar, Ashton VSG, in the snow, and it's like a kid in a candy store. Great draw. And this is not just snow, it's a blizzard. In front of a church, beautiful church, and just snowing like crazy with my Jeep with an Ashton VSG Sorcerer for all my cigar smokers. Like a little cherry taste, maybe a little hint of coconut. Well, that's all I got for cigar smoking in the snow. I hope you enjoy your next cigar in the snow, 40 minutes from Vegas, or wherever you're at. Main thing is to enjoy.